वह अंग्रेजी में अच्छा रहा है। He has been good at English. He has been good at English. वह पोएट्री में प्रवीण है। He is well versed in poetry. He is well versed in poetry. उनको बाहर इंतजार करने के लिए कहो। Tell them to wait outside. Tell them to wait outside. उनसे कहो मुझसे बात न करे। Tell them not to talk to me. Tell them not to talk to me. उससे कहो पंखा चलता न छोड़े। Ask him not to leave the fan on. Ask him not to leave the fan on. उसे तो बस अपनी इज्जत की पड़ी रहती है। All he cares about is his honor. All he cares about is his honor. अच्छे से अच्छे डॉक्टर भी उसका इलाज नहीं कर पाए। Even the best doctor couldn't cure him. Even the best doctor couldn't cure him. बुरी से बुरी हार भी हमें कुछ सिखाती है। Even the worst of failures teach us something or other. Even the worst of failures teach us something or other. दुनियादारी के चक्कर में मत पड़ो। Don't fall for worldliness. Don't fall for worldliness. ये सब पैसे का चक्कर है। This is all about money. This is all about money. वे केवल नाम के राष्ट्रवादी हैं। They are nationalist in name only. They are nationalist in name only. आप कितनी बार व्यायाम करते हैं हफ्ते में? How often do you exercise in a week? How often do you exercise in a week? मैं तैयार हो रहा हूँ। I am getting ready. I am getting ready. उसे घबराहट हो रही थी। She was getting nervous. She was getting nervous. उन्हें दिल्ली आने को किसने कहा? Who asked them to come to Delhi? Who asked them to come to Delhi? मतलबी होना अच्छी बात नहीं है। Being selfish is not good. Being selfish is not good. शिक्षित होना जरूरी है। Being educated is necessary. Being educated is necessary. हो सके तो मेरी मदद करना। If possible, help me. If possible, help me. मुझे बात करने में शर्म आती है। I feel shy talking to her. I feel shy talking to her. मैं फिर भी उससे बात करूंगा। I will still talk to her. I will still talk to her. मन करता है कि तुमसे फिर से बात करूं। I feel like talking to you a lot. I feel like talking to you a lot. कुछ भी करने से पहले सोचो। Look before you leap. Look before you leap. तूफान आने से पहले शांति होती है। Silence precedes the storm. Silence precedes the storm. अज्ञानता में आनंद है। Ignorance is bliss. Ignorance is bliss. खबरदार अगर उसने बात की तो। Be aware if you talk to her. Be aware if you talk to her. शुरू में तुम्हें दिक्कत हो सकती है। Initially you can find it difficult. Initially you can find it difficult. वह इतना कमजोर है कि चल नहीं सकता। He is too weak to walk. He is too weak to walk. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ दूंगा। I will always stand by you. I will always stand by you. मैं तुम्हें खोने से डरता हूँ। I am afraid of losing you. I am afraid of losing you. इतना घमंड सही नहीं है। Such arrogance is not good. Such arrogance is not good. मेरी सांस फूल गई है। I ran out of breath. I ran out of breath. मैं उसकी बातों में आ गया। I got into his words. I got into his words. तुम तो बड़े मतलबी निकले। You turn it out to be so selfish. You turn it out to be so selfish. तुम्हें इंतजार करना पड़ेगा। You will have to wait. You will have to wait. यह अनजाने में हुआ। It was done unknowingly. It was done unknowingly. मैं बस इतना कह सकता हूँ। Only this I can say. Only this I can say. बस एक बार बोलो। Just speak once. जस्ट स्पीक वंस। बारिश जरूर होंगी। इट विल डेफिनेटली रेन। इट विल डेफिनेटली रेन। वह वहाँ कम ही जाता है। He hardly goes there. He hardly goes there. भलाई का तो जमाना नहीं रहा। We are in the thankless world. We are in a thankless world. उसे मेरे सामने लाओ। Bring him before me. Bring him before me. कोई अन्य रास्ता नहीं था। There was no other way. There was no other way. हमारी योजना काम कर गई। Our plan has worked. Our plan has worked. बिस्तर पर खाना न खाए। Don't eat in bed. Don't eat in bed. घर पर सब ठीक है। Everyone is okay at home. Everyone is okay at home. देखो तुमने क्या किया। Look what you did. Look what you did. बात बात पर रोना मत। Don't cry on every single matter. Don't cry on every single matter. बारिश के कोई संकेत नहीं है। Still no sign of rain. Still no sign of rain. तुम्हें मेरी मदद करने की जरूरत नहीं है। You don't have to help me. You don't have to help me. यह दिन का सुस्त समय था। It was a slack time of the day. It was a slack time of the day. उसने 2 बार अपनी सीटी बजाई। He blew his whistle twice. He blew his whistle twice. मुझे घर ले चलो। Take me home. Take me home. मुझे गलत मत समझना। Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. यह मेरी जिम्मेदारी नहीं है। It is not my responsibility. It is not my responsibility. वह सही हो सकती है। She might be right. She might be right. यह सच हो सकता है। This might be true. This might be true. वह हमारे लिए उपयोगी हो सकता है। He might be useful to us. He might be useful to us. हो सकता है कि वह काम में व्यस्त हो। He might be busy with work. He might be busy with work. वह इस रविवार को आ सकती है। She might come this Sunday. She might come this Sunday. वह खतरे में हो सकती है। She might be in danger. She might be in danger. मेरे वापस आने तक तुम यहीं रुकना। You stay here till I come back. You stay here till I come back. जितना अधिक उतना बेहतर। The more the better. The more the better. दूध खरीदना ना भूलें। Don't forget to buy milk. Don't forget to buy milk. जब आप घर पहुंचते हैं तो मुझे कॉल करें। Call me when you get home. Call me when you get home. मैं आज काफी थक गया हूँ। I am quite exhausted today. I am quite exhausted today. मुझे आपकी दया नहीं चाहिए। I don't want your pity. I don't want your pity. आप मुझे खुश करते हैं। You make me happy. You make me happy. यह मुझे पागल बना देता है। This makes me mad. This makes me mad. वह पास्ता बनाना चाहती है। She knows how to make pasta. She knows how to make pasta. लोगों का मजाक मत उड़ाओ। Don't make fun of people. Don't make fun of people. आपने यह बहुत अच्छा किया। You did it very well. You did it very well. आप इसे अभी क्यों नहीं करते? Why don't you do it now? Why don't you do it now? वह नहीं जानती थी कि क्या करना है। She didn't know what to do. She didn't know what to do. जैसा वह तुमसे कहे वैसा करो। Do as he says to you. Do as he says to you. मैं वहां नहीं आ सकता। I cannot go there. I cannot go there. अब कुछ नहीं किया जा सकता। Nothing can be done now. Nothing can be done now. क्या हम बाहर खाना खाएंगे? Shall we eat out today? Shall we eat out today? क्या मैं तुम्हें स्कूल छोड़ दूं? Shall I drop you at the school? Shall I drop you at the school? मैं यह बक्सा कहाँ रखूं? Where shall I put this box? Where shall I put this box? मेले में हमने अच्छा समय बिताया। We had a good time at the fair. We had a good time at the fair. हमारी छुट्टियां अच्छी रही। We had good holiday. We had good holiday. उसने कोई जवाब नहीं दिया। He did not respond. He did not respond. तुम्हें मुझसे शादी करनी होगी। You must marry me. You must marry me. मुझसे कोई सवाल मत पूछो। Don't ask me any question. Don't ask me any question. वह छोटी सी झोपड़ी में रहता था। He lived in small hut. He lived in small hut. उनका जीवन बहुत कठिन था। His life was very difficult. His life was very difficult. यहाँ गाड़ी खड़ी करना मना है। It is forbidden to park here. It is forbidden to park here. उसे स्टेशन तक छोड़ दो। Drop him at the station. Drop him at the station. आपसे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी। I didn't expect it from you. I didn't expect it from you. आपकी पढ़ाई कैसी चल रही है? How are your studies going? How are your studies going? मेरी पढ़ाई ठीक चल रही है। My studies are going well. My studies are going well. जल्द ही अच्छे दिन आएंगे। Good days will come soon. Good days will come soon. आपको खाना पड़ेगा। You will have to eat. You will have to eat. बुरी आदतें छोड़ दो। Give up bad habits. Give up bad habits. मैंने उसे गाली नहीं दी। I didn't abuse him. I didn't abuse him. हमें लेट हो रहा है। We are getting late. We are getting late. बाद में पछताना मत। Don't regret later. Don't regret later. मेरे पेट में चूहा कूद रहा है। I'm starving. I am starving. उसकी चुगली मत करो। Don't backbite him. Don't backbite him.